Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're making so much gains. Congratulations to all of you. If you know, you know. Join them. Join the Telegram. The link is in the description. Learn, understand. Don't try to just be skeptical. Don't say stupid shit. Learn, try to understand. It takes time. Some people get it quick, but to really understand over the long term, it's an understanding. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the charts. Nice gains. Did you see these gains? Who's got the watch list like me? Let me know in the comments. Unity up 10%. TSM 1.27%. Unity is a tech company in the stock market. It's not like some shitcoin. Up 10%. We bought a lot of Unity. MCRT up. It reset on TradingView. Everything was up yesterday. I've got a screenshot of it, but it reset on TradingView. Anyone know how to set TradingView so it doesn't reset after 24 hours? Like, I want to show what the last 24 hours were. Bitcoin still in this big bull flag. When we zoom out, so what you're looking at is Bitcoin over time, right? You're seeing the price of Bitcoin moving over time. This was the all-time high. This is on derivatives. This is what you're seeing here. Learn all this in the crypto course is a rising wedge that Bitcoin broke out of, invalidating. And now we're above it. We did what you're seeing here, this 1, 2, 3. This is an Elliott wave count. It moves in waves, the market, which when I understood this and when I learned this changes everything. 1, correction. 2 to 3, largest impulse wave, correction. 4 to 5, final impulse wave, smaller than the second to third impulse wave, but usually higher. And then correction, A, B bounce, C correction, which Bitcoin had a very weak correction, which was very interesting. It just pretty much, after the A bounce, it just a little bit correct and then pumped, which is beautiful. And then that pump starts the next count, which is interesting because we've had no reset on the first wave. We're still in the first wave for Bitcoin. This is still the first wave, no pullback yet. So if the first wave continues with no pullback like it's been doing, with more pressure, more volume, we know when the pullback finishes, when there's going to be a pullback, when volume drops, when Bitcoin makes new highs and volume drops down. But as you can see, the volume is getting bigger. More people are buying Bitcoin. The price is pumping. These are weekly candles. So you're seeing how much buying and selling was happening on that one candle during the week. Learn all this in the Crypto Master Course. Hopefully my editors, all that, you see this part and you edit out this and teach people, send it out as like a separate teaching, this section. Separate teaching, because I'm just going over everything quickly. We're in a bull flag on Bitcoin, this on the first wave. Stochastic is heading up. These are all the different indicators and things you're using. Volume heading up, stochastic. Bitcoin about to break out, found resistance on the trend line. We got the trend line by 2 touches on the trend line. 3 makes it confirmed. So these 3 trend line, and I said it breaks out. Why? Because usually it breaks out 70% of the trend line move. And usually, this, just from my experience, this looked about 70%. Also, Bitcoin was coiling up. We're in trades now on Bitcoin, volume coming in. It's going to pump out. Bitcoin is ready to go. I said this yesterday. I said this today. Why? Because multiple touches on the top of the trend line. 1, breakout. 2, breakout. 3, pull back. 4, 5th attempt. Usually after 3, 1, 2, you have a double top. Then you have a big correction. Or you have triple top. 1, 2, 3, which is very rare to have a triple top. But that's the indicator of a top, and that's like a big indicator, and then drop. Here you can see we have no resistance. Higher highs each time. Bitcoin is ready to pump. If you haven't taken a trade, now the next point is off the supports up here. Stop loss underneath. This is where I would open trade. Target 46K. 32 risk reward ratio, $264 to make $8,685 with no leverage per Bitcoin. So $264 to make $8,600 with 10x leverage, it's $86,000 profits. 100x leverage, $860,000 profits. That's a trade I would take on Bitcoin. In my account, all of this you can learn underneath the video. So go down underneath the video, you learn all the exchanges that we trade on, the course where you learn all this, and make sure you learn in depth before you won't really this. You're just seeing a glimpse of what we do. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade is pumping $38,000 in the profits. This Bitcoin trade, $38,283 in the profits. It's 7 Bitcoin trade, $233,000 trade. Now at $38,000 in the profits, nice. Remember when I had that 20 Bitcoin loan? But it doesn't matter. Never look at the past. Always look at future opportunities, because the overall account, new all-time high, everyone, 440,916. If you've been following this account from 150K, I barely, like, I just showing you, I'm not moving much of the portfolio after we got in at the bottom. We got in at the beginning of the year in cryptos, in stocks, and we've just been holding this whole time. Tesla pumping, Google pumping, Meta pumping 100% each plus, Bitcoin pumping more than 100%, the altcoins pumping. Congratulations, all of you. And now you're seeing it still, we're just holding the positions. So that Bitcoin trade pumping, this account 440. And yesterday I moved $5,000 into one of my cards for spending. I just transferred out $5,000. I just bought something. I'll show you what I bought. But and look, the account, so it should be 445,969, because I spent $5,000 yesterday, which is beautiful. This account is up $8,300 today, only 2%, but $8,300, pretty nice spending money. Bitcoin, $80,000. I've got 2 Bitcoin. USDT, I've still got 70K. Tether, 53,000. Uniswap, Doge, 48,000. MCRT, I've got 37,000, up 5%. FXS, I've got 34,000, up 8%. Beautiful. Okay, I'll just leave it at Bitcoin. Let's see. I posted in the Telegram that I'm going to make a video. Let's see what everyone says. Okay. I can't get rid of the keyboard. Okay, here. Solana, yes. Okay, total 3. Bitcoin pullback scenario, maybe 32K, 48. Still in bull flag, still pumping. I'm ready to pump. Solana and Doge analysis has to be next video. Okay, Solana. 2 requests for Solana. I just asked this now before I made the video. Solana. $60. Wow, congratulations. Anyone that bought Solana, boom. If you bought it at the beginning of the year, if you put money in the beginning of the year into Solana on January 1st, if you put money into Solana, you would have now 6 times your money. So if you put $100,000, you would now have $600,000. If you put in $1 million, you would have $6 million. $6 million, 6 times your money since the beginning of the year. If you even put if you put your money into Solana just in September, mid-September, so now we're in November, September, October, November, 2 months ago, if you put money into Solana 2 months ago, I made a video on Solana, on that breakout of the bull flag. You can see here we had a little bull flag. Everyone see it? Bull flag. You would have 250%, so you would have 2.5 times. You'd have, like, if you put 100,000, you'd have 250 or maybe 350,000, I'm not sure. Okay, so pullback resistance now. We're at heavy resistance, but there's no major resistance here. It's still bull flagging. Is volume going up? That's what we're looking for when we see a breakout like this. Is volume... Oops, I deleted. Is volume going up? Let's check if volume is going... Yes, volume is going up. Bull flagging. Solana's going to pump, and it's going to be crazy, everyone. Why? The base of the bull flag is the distance. And we have a little... We could say that stops at the base, but not really. I would say the base is from here. So the move for Solana is going to be... Target. That's a resistance. $78. But overall target is probably $84, which is another 30% move. That's what's going to happen to Solana. Bull flag, big rounding bottom, big accumulation, big rounding bottom, volume increasing. Thank you for watching everything under the video. Exchanges, Bybit gives you a $30,000 US bonus when you trade. OKX, $50,000. Check out these bonuses. Those are the exchanges I use that I find secure, that I like. The Crypto Master Course, join us in the Telegram where everyone is. Thank you for watching, everyone. My OKX trade also... My OKX trade, Bitcoin trade, now $1,800 in profits. I made that last week. Remember when I was in... I just added to the position 1 Bitcoin. Let's see this account. Did it change since I started making it? 440,873. Not much movement. Yesterday, pumping. Thank you, everyone. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you... and just learn, study, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.